Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw the glitch effect. You guys may have seen my glitch characters on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, and I always get asked to do a tutorial on them. It's actually not that hard to do. The effect looks really cool, and once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to do it on anything you want. Let's jump into the video. If you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's start with step number 1, and that is sketching. Get a piece of paper, I'm using mixed media, and start sketching out what you want to draw with the glitch effect. If you're not really good at drawing, you could trace it, it doesn't really matter. For this drawing, I'm using Posca markers. I think they work really well, but if you don't have them, other markers will work just fine. The next step is to outline the drawing you made with a black marker. Grab your black marker and start outlining the sketch. Take your time with this step to make sure the outline looks really good. For this glitch effect, we're going to be using a red marker and a blue marker. Grab your red marker and start outlining to the left of the black outline. Make sure to get every small detail. Once you're done that, grab your blue marker and start doing the same thing, but to the right of the black marker. Grab your black again and go over your drawing in case you drew over the black just like I did. We're almost done the glitch effect, but first you're going to want to grab a ruler and start drawing horizontal lines. Red ones coming out of the left side and blue ones coming from the right. The final step is to grab a white marker and draw a few dashes on random parts of the drawing. This is going to bring the effect together and make it look really cool. And that's how to draw the glitch effect. I really like the way mine turned out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. We're about 1.5k subs until we hit 10k, which would be super cool to hit. Make sure to subscribe. And if you have a question about the glitch effect, leave a comment. I'll do my best to answer all of them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!